guys, what's up? So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my French braids, and if you guys have followed me on Instagram or seen me on YouTube, you know that I do braids all the time. I love them so much, and I taught myself how to do them a few years ago through YouTube, so I was like, why not make a tutorial for you guys, because I know how long I was trying to find like a good enough tutorial to teach me how to do them, so I wanted to share that with you guys and all the information I have learned and tips that I've picked up on. And this tutorial is definitely geared toward beginners. I really go step by step and show you guys what I do. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so to start this off, I'm going to take a small layer of hair from the very top of my head, and I like to keep this pretty small because I like how the braid looks a lot better with like a smaller amount of hair, because I feel like it looks more neat and detailed. So then I'm just going to take this section and break it into 3 smaller sections, and you want to make them relatively even, which is what I'm trying to do now, just evening out the 3 sections. So once you have your 3 sections, you can take the section all the way on the right and braid it over the middle. So basically right now you're just doing like normal braid. And then after that you can take the leftmost section and put it over the hair that now became the middle. So just braiding that over. And now here's where it starts to become a French braid, so now you're going to start to add hair into the braid. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit of hair from all the way on the right and add it into the rightmost piece. And then holding it with my other hand, I'm just going to take the hand that's not holding the braid and smooth it out. And then once it's smooth and I like how it feels, I'm going to braid it over. So now it's really neat. And then you're going to do the same on the left. So I'm going to add a little bit of hair in, smooth it out with the hand that is not holding the braid, and braid it over. And just pull it tight. I do my braids really tight. I know some people like them looser, but I like how they look tight. Okay, so then I'm going to add a little more to the right again, smooth it out, and braid it over. And now I'm just going to repeat this pretty much all down my head, and I use pretty small sections that I add in, just because it just feels way more detailed to me. And yeah, we're just going to keep doing that, adding a little bit of hair in, smooth it out, and braid it over. And you can probably see now the braid is starting to form over here. So now you're going to add hair in.
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.
Okay, so now once you have no more hair left to add in, which is what I'm pretty much up to now, you can just braid the end like a normal braid. So I'm going to bring it around the front and just continue braiding it like you would a normal braid. And then when I'm done with that, I'm just going to tie it off with like a little, with a little hair elastic that I have. And we're done.
No matter where I go, I'm always gonna want you back. No matter how long you're gone, I'm always gonna want you back.
So that was my French braid tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did and you learned something, make sure to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye guys!